When you're trying to get things done, nothing is more frustrating than working where it's hard to reach or where you can't see. Till now, meet the cordless flip out, an incredible power driver. It's compact to get into tight spaces other drivers can't, yet drives with the same power and torque as much larger tools. But here's the real magic. With flip out, you'll always come at your work from just the right angle. Flip out delivers torque and power using a design based on industrial robots. There are 3 pivoting joints. The top one pivots to reach into tight spots. The middle joint lets you reach around or over. And the third joint gives you all this flexibility with 360 degrees of rotation. The result? Flip out locks into over 380 positions, giving you power in tight spots, power in hard to reach spots, power where you need it. Flip out gets the job done. Use a drill driver at the wrong angle and you'll quickly strip screws. But flip out adjusts to drive screws straight on. And with the drill driver, you just don't have control for RTA furniture. But flip out's variable speed switch gives you the touch you need to assemble furniture quickly. Flip out runs on a built-in 8-volt max lithium-ion battery. And you can fully recharge it in just 45 minutes. And even if it sits for a full year, flip out still holds its charge. And maybe the best thing about the flip out is it only weighs 1 pound. So whether you're working in hard to reach places on electrical or plumbing, or just need a powerful driver around the house, flip out is a tool for you.
Time for a reality check. What's the worst that could happen? If this is your answer, then this is your multi-tool. But if you do real work, you probably want a multi-tool built for real challenges. Gerber Center Drive is the first multi-tool with a full-size standard bit driver on the center axis. That means it drives screws just like the real thing. And you can interchange your center drive bits with all the bits you already own. Try finding another multi-tool that can do that. Nope, keep looking. But this is no one-trick pony. Gerber Center Drive delivers a full-size outboard knife with reverse thumb support. And the blade is 30% longer than the competition. It's okay, little buddy. A lot of guys have that problem. Since real life doesn't wait, the Center Drive driver, knife, and pliers are all instantly accessible with one hand. The same can't be said for this one. You also get all the other tools you need, and none you don't. So you'll have everything to fix just about anything. The multi-tool just got a reality check.
Modern life presents challenges. Work, sports, adventures, small things can easily blow out and become big. Talon helps keep the small things small. Made with an advanced composite technology and world-first patent-pending design, the Talon packs 17 tools and features to match in a pocket-sized carry. It comes with metric and imperial wrenches and rulers, box cutter, bottle opener, and standard 1/4-inch Phillips and flathead hex drives. The Talon adapts to your life. Simply swap out the hex drives for your next adventure. Whether you need an Allen head through to Torx, the Talon holds 2 within its body. A flexible elastomer keeps the tools locked in place and ready when you need them. The original socket design allows your hand to be positioned as you would with a regular screwdriver, a feature that many pocket tools don't allow. The Talon is made of one of the world's most advanced composite materials, 40% lighter than titanium and the strength of die-cast metal. Plus, the material tech allows you to carry your Talon without fear of scratching your latest phone or tablet. The Talon can go anywhere you do, and it complies with current TSA requirements for air travel. The Australian designed, engineered and manufactured Talon multi-tool by Tactica. Compact enough to carry every day. Lightweight enough not to weigh you down. Heavy duty enough to get things done. Talon in your hand? Enough said.
At Power Practical, we love high voltage, shooting sparks, and lighting up the party. After bringing this Tesla coil to life, we knew it was time to put one in everyone's pockets. Introducing the Sparker, a plasma lighter and flashlight in one. The flashlight is a 1-watt dimmable LED that can run for 4 hours on full bright. The removable lid doubles as a diffuser, transforming the light into a lantern. The plasma lighter uses electricity to create a windproof solution that requires no flame, butane, or fuel. The Sparker is great for any of your outdoor adventures. Lighting your barbecue, around your house, or simply being prepared. Sparker is also USB rechargeable. Please back or share our project and light it up.